This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in, so start by opening Chrome and navigating to YouTube, or enable the Google Play Store to use the Android app. Once done, install the YouTube app if you prefer app features. Make sure you grant microphone or camera permissions only when required. You'll want to sync your Google account for subscriptions and watch history to appear. This gets you into the same ecosystem across devices, which saves time and avoids repeated setup later, so do that now. Now fine-tune how YouTube behaves. Select video quality, auto will adapt to bandwidth, or pick 720p/1080p on fast Wi-Fi to save data later. If you need offline videos, install the Android YouTube app and use YouTube Premium to download for offline viewing. This stores files in app-managed storage. Also configure captions and playback speed in the player, and enable picture-in-picture so you can multitask while watching. These steps control experience and data use, so adjust before long sessions. To wrap up, connect to external screens by tapping the cast icon in the player and selecting a device on the same Wi-Fi. Manage local storage by clearing the YouTube app cache or removing large downloads. Check Play Store for updates that fix bugs. If something goes wrong, first sign out and sign back in, then clear Chrome's cache and cookies. If playback still fails, update Chrome OS or reinstall the YouTube app. That usually resolves permission glitches and playback errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.